Hello world, Curdy Cool is back again. Oh yeah, shout out to all the beautiful people out there. I hope you guys got a big old beautiful smile. I just wanted to come on once again. I want to share this about this Patricia Robinson. I know she is listening. I want to say this. Patricia Robinson, you are losing, and I'm going to explain why I say you are losing. Well, number one is that I tell nothing but facts and the truth about my true story. Your family and the world know all about you. All about you with your narcissist abuse and the way you did everybody in that home and the way you abused me as well with all this narcissist abuse. But I'm going to say something, Patricia Robinson. I will sue you for everything you got. Even though it might be a few pennies left over, by the time all those other lawsuits go through, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You got all kind of liens on the house, big time criminal records, all kind of traffic tickets. So what money you got left in your pocket? I don't see where you got enough money, but I will sue you. Trust me. For all the mental abuse, I will sue Patricia Robinson. 14 years have gone by, and you have showed your true colors. I want to say this. You are a coward, Patricia Robinson. I'm going to talk about my tutorial and my true story about all this narcissist abuse and what this woman put me through and my kid and everybody else that's in that home, y'all, in that quote home. These people, they know the truth now. What this woman did to them. Patricia Robinson destroyed all these people's lives in that home, y'all, in that quote home, y'all. She messed them up. It will sadden your heart to know what this woman did. But it's just the facts, y'all. This woman don't have any feelings. She don't have any love. She don't have any care. So it's really useless to share how you feel because this woman do not have any feelings. So what she does is Patricia Robinson continue on to destroy my daughter's life. Every chance she get, this is what she does. Because she wants the upper hand. In other words, Patricia Robinson wants to use what belongs to me that I love for is my own blood. So she wants to try to destroy me by keeping my kid away and parental alienating my kid away from me and running and hiding out and feeding my daughter mine with all kind of lies. Telling her, just all kind of abnormal lies about her father. When she is the coward who destroyed her life. Patricia Robinson, I know you don't have any feelings. I knew that a long time ago. And I come back on once again to point you out to the world. You are a loser. You are a coward. You are a narcissist abuser. You manipulate. You take advantage of people. You are running a cult home. You are a criminal. You know what I mean? And then you got the nerves to try to destroy a good man's life. But I just keep on exposing you, and I will continue on to expose you, because I know for a fact you will never get it right. I don't expect for you to get it right. You know, you are so far gone in your mind with all this narcissist abuse, y'all, until I refuse to want to be anywhere around this woman because she needs mental health ASAP. This woman need help, y'all. And I just expose her, y'all, because I tell my true stories and I stick to the facts. She can lie all day long, y'all, you know, about trying to, you know, break me down or trying to make me lose my page. Why can't you do the right thing? See, you don't stick to the facts. You tell lies and live a fake lifestyle. You know what I mean? But I continue on telling the facts and the truth out here. So you out here listening, but I will sue you for everything you got left because it wasn't right. You bet you I will sue you, Patricia Robinson. Now, before I close, you're a coward, and you will always be a coward for what you did and for what you are doing. Trust me, it's not right. And for all those people that has been broke down because of Patricia Robinson, well, you guys know the truth now. But I'm hoping and praying that you guys seek some professional help that can help you guys pull out of this, because you guys have been, because Patricia Robinson have mentally abused you guys with all of this mental health issues and all this narcissist abuse. I don't know no other way to say it but get some help. I'm just so disappointed in Patricia Robinson, but it's nothing else that I could do because this woman is lost into herself, y'all. Her upbringing followed this woman to this point, and she will never change, y'all. It shows in her everyday life. You can't get it right. You continue on showing your true colors by misusing, by abusing, mentally abusing people, breaking folks down. No empathy, no sympathy, no love. You are 64 years old, Patricia Robinson, doing this to kids. But do you think you are ashamed of yourself? No, 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 no. That is a crime with what you are doing to my daughter. Then you are running and hiding out there in Moreno Valley, California. Think that you are beating the system. You are only playing your own mind. You are not playing on my mind, because I see you for who you are. I see Veronica for what she is. Neither one of you ain't no good. Good quality people don't do that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? But you guys show your true colors, and it is what it is. I'm gonna end this show, y'all. Shout out to all the beautiful people out there. Y'all have a beautiful day and a beautiful night. I tell you guys, Curtie Cool is so happy out here. I'm full of love and full of peace, y'all. I'm just so happy. I mean, my life is going so beautiful, y'all. I'm so happy out here, y'all. The only thing I hear that Curtie Cool is doing, I'm sharing my facts and my true story about this woman, and the world needs to know about what is going on. So I exposed this woman through my tutorials to wake up the world so that the world can see this woman for who she is. And the whole wide world know by now. Y'all know what I mean? So anyway, I'm a happy man. But I just keep on exposing. So you guys be good, y'all. Stay on top of your game. You guys know how it is when you are dealing with narcissist people, y'all. They can't be trusted. I mean, they need to come back to the real and stop all this narcissist abuse and stop all of this scamming. Anyway, this is Curdy Cool once again. I'll talk to you guys next time. Okay, bye. I'll be back.